What's the meaning of blast? Blast. Blast.
Blast. Blast. The term blast can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. At its core, blast refers to a sudden and strong force or impact, and is often associated with loud noise and intense energy. In the context of explosives or weapons, blast can refer to the explosion or discharge of destructive force. However, blast can also have positive connotations, such as the idea of having a blast or a good time. Additionally, in certain fields such as biotechnology, BLAST is used as an acronym for Basic Local Alignment Search Tool, a software tool used to compare biological sequences.